What is going on, guys? Our friend Hani came from out of town yesterday, and to our surprise, we went to pick him up. We really didn't have any plans whatsoever to even go pick him up because we're shitty people like that. And then it just coincided that as we were coming by, he was at the airport, so we were like, fuck it. I picked him up on my black Raptor, and guess what happened? We're going right now to gas to get him a Raptor, so fuck it. And also, Hani's friends with Bradley, right? This is correct? And I believe there's a small chance that Bradley might be coming with Hani to do this. And if he is coming, we're gonna fucking flex on those motherfuckers. We're taking a Raptor, which is Farghini's Raptor, which is all souped up, 4x4 square, and the F-150. It's gonna be a truck day.
We're trying to overcompensate for lack of muscle mass.
Right. This is why, ladies and gentlemen, we need to bring all of the cars at once to flex on them, because it does bring smiles to people's faces. I'm sorry, we gotta take all of your spaces, Ivan.
This is
How fucking badass is this? Yeah. You'll never stop being a kid, I guess, because I fucking adore this dumb shit. This is all super cute, Farghini, but where are we really gonna park the cars? Because we're gonna block everyone. I don't think so. We should probably also go get something to eat.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
This is definitely a fire hazard.
So we're just gonna leave him here. All right, Ivan, thank you. See you later.
Right? It's a car line.
So Ivan's gonna show us right now Hani's Raptor.
Yes,
that's
I got
upstairs.
it washed, detailed, and ready to go.
So he came in yesterday with Farghini, right?
Yes, they came in yesterday. We saw the only one that we had available, and he took that one.
Good for him.
We were here until like 10:30, by the way, right?
Yeah, we were.
Oh, holy shit.
By the way, the one thing he doesn't have is the carbon fiber. He really wants.
That's so true.
Really wants the carbon fiber. So
He does?
Yeah, we really got it. And he wants.
I love it, because yesterday we were in the car, he goes, who gives a shit about the carbon fiber, guys? Oh, he got the lead foot color one. That sick son of a bitch. Oh, this is dope. Why did I say that I had to buy the black one and just black one and black one and just black one and black one? This is gorgeous. Is it open, Ivan? I'm gonna go fart inside of it. Quickly, hold on.
Remember karma. Just remember karma. Remember karma.
He drinks a lot of protein shakes. Oh, I am fucked. Oh, here comes the kids in their cute truck.
Kids lots over there, guys.
Oh, that's adorable, guys.
I gotta say, he's just complaining about.
No, I'm turning this thing in.
That's fucking adorable. Adorable.
Why?
He wants to.
How are you, baby? How are you? For what?
He's really upset.
Listen, I loved it, everything was great, but he got one.
But Bradley, look at you and look at me. Oliver, come here. Look at this. Forget our trucks. Look at me and look at him. Get the fuck out.
So you let Farshad have his fucking truck.
I got the truck.
I have to compensate somehow for this. Get the fuck out of here. He beats me in arm wrestling. He beats me in a truck. What else do you want? What else do you want, Bradley?
Why are you doing this to Farshad, Bradley?
I'm kidding, I really want it. I'm messing around.
How are you?
We all gotta go drive him though. Yeah, for sure. Like,
Oh, you know, I wouldn't say that on camera if I were you, because you know, some people remember.
no, I'm doing that. We're doing
Yeah, of course. No, I know we are, of course.
Let us know when you were really gonna do it. Like, no, all I need to do
no one's
here, bro. I just don't want rocks to hit the thing.
Oh, that's so cute.
I love it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take care of it first, and then we'll set the date where I'll do it.
Yeah.
Hey, did you hear about the golf?
No, but listen, everyone's different. Everyone's different, though.
Yeah.
Some people are manlier than others, like whatever.
Wait a minute.
Well, I am actually really fast at running away from danger. You'll never fucking catch me slipping.
You guys should see him in the quarter mile.
So, honey, we'll let you go finish your paperwork while we go eat right across the street. So whatever you need will be right there. And
Alpin restaurant.
That's
By the
right.
way, he was already there. He enjoyed some steak and eggs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw your story. Yeah, I saw your story.
I thought it was like a sandwich place.
No, it's legit.
Did
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
I was like, they got steak. I'm like, what the hell?
Because you need to get fucking.
Yeah, just in case you need to get jacked, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Wait,
yeah.
okay. Let me just cut now. Bradley, can you please turn around? I just want to look like this in 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
So you want
I got 2 weeks. I got 2 weeks.
All you need to do is go to the merch site and get the merch.
Oh, he just what? What?
Avocado, mushroom, and tomatoes. 2 of those.
2 of those?
Yeah.
Right here?
Right here.
And hash browns or what taste?
Are there any other options? Like
Fruit or sliced meat?
Honestly, I'm so lucky that he got here when we were done eating. Because I feel horrible every time we're eating and someone like in shape shows up and you're like,
if I ate a quarter of what you just ordered, I'd gain 7 pounds like overnight.
yeah.
Oh, hey, wait. We just heard what you had
Oh
today.
yeah. Honey just told us what you did.
We just heard what you
Where'd you
had
go
today.
before coming
I'm
here?
shocked. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's not gonna work
Hold
here.
on. Let me see this. Let me see your finger.
Oh,
Yeah. What is this? Yeah. What is?
I don't like that. I don't like that test.
Jalapeno burger.
that's what you call it?
Every time I'm near Bradley,
You keep doing that yourself. I don't know. Fuck do I know? He's not that big in person. Nothing. Nothing. We're just saying that Barsha just gets really, you know, in toll mode whenever he sees you.
like you right now.
No! I'm just walking, dude. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, dude? Come on.
You get that? People like perk up.
Oh, 100%. People take photos and they'll do this. They'll be like, let me take another one, and they'll be like,
With me, they kneel like this. They're like, let me take a photo with you. So now they're petting the dog, but normally that's how women pet Bradley. They stuff him everywhere and they just do that to him. It's the weirdest thing. I really need to get in shape, guys. I really need to get in shape.
I'm telling you, you just.
Can we make this official? We were talking off camera and we said that you would train me, and my boy Rodrigo called me and said, oh, that's awesome, good for you. I bet you if I had Honey to teach me, I can beat you too. And I asked him, how would you feel if Bradley was the one training you with all of his products, and then I'll do you with, well, I'll do your method, your method with all of your products, and then we'll compare the two pathetic men. What do you think?
Oh wow,
Rodrigo?
Are you guys down?
I'm down. I don't know
Is
about.
Rodrigo, like, can he go hard enough? I feel like
He can.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rodrigo's a very disciplined man, and he has a way better schedule than mine.
I just gotta make sure my schedule works for it. That's all.
There you go.
Okay, well,
What about
I
you?
gotta make sure that you actually are gonna want to work out.
Nope.
It's very hard with it.
I will.
I knew it.
No, if it's a challenge,
Can we go for a
honey,
drive? Can we go for a
if it's a challenge,
I
you
know,
see me.
I know.
You know how
Yeah,
competitive
you're
I am.
competitive as
I'll
fuck.
fucking crush.
Yeah.
Crush. So you want to do it?
I'm down. I'm
Okay.
down. Honestly, because I know that you're so competitive, but that's the only way that I know that you possibly get in shape.
Let's do it. That's the only absolutely way. Bradley, we'll check with your schedule. This is just Farghini's fantasy, by the way. He just wants to be around Bradley the whole time, doing what he's doing right now. Just making himself taller and just being like, oh, look how jacked I am.
Anybody want anything else?
Which one of you is Bradley Martyn? Oh, wow, it's you. Wow, you look exactly the same from behind. Insane. Insane, Farsha.
How are those arches on your feet? They hurt? It's starting to hurt?
I'm actually happy we're taking the elevator.
Yeah,
It's good. It's better.
Yeah, we need the elevator here, but the problem's gonna be if Bradley's in there and Fast Shot, we're gonna fit here.
But, well, dude, I still need to be in the elevator. I did leg day today, so. Why are you laughing?
What's laying, dude? What does that mean?
Like,
getting in and out of your truck? Where's Fast Shot?
Oh, shit.
Oh, I didn't even get my drink either.
Dude, go
I just left them with.
Are you serious?
With everything.
Text him, tell him to bring everything.
And we're the only ones going down. Hey, there's Farsha.
Wait,
Down, Farsha!
We're going back up.
Ivan, look at this F-type. Wow.
Now I can fit in the back of Farshad's truck.
Oh, shit.
Still have an F-type.
Can't you trade in your Raptor now for an F-Type?
I have equity now.
You
don't
do
I?
have equity.
So let's see. Trade in equity for depreciation. Is that a good financial decision?
But,
Ask the master.
but on an SVR, like what kind of deal could you get trading in? I'm serious.
Genius.
I'm serious.
Ivan. Ivan,
With the equity that he has in that Raptor?
You're genius. You're genius. That's genius. Come here, please. Come here.
I don't know how we got into this again. It was just a joke.
With the equity that he has.
Before you can I just say one thing? There's no more Galpin, there's no more Raptors, right?
Not right now, correct.
Another 2, 3
We're
months,
trying to
right?
get some.
But you don't have any right
No,
now.
not right now.
Go ahead.
With the equity that he has in that Raptor, what about an SVR?
Before you answer, it is celebrity owned. My car is celebrity. It comes from a good lineage.
Now you just lost value.
No, there he is. There you go.
Finally, I just had a couple of forms I had to fill out. I didn't know what to do.
You like a P test or something?
No, man, they made me fill out.
Hey, you're official, homie.
That's official.
Congratulations.
That mean it came with a green card. So
Can I say something? Let me know. I think your contract might be a little bit bigger than mine. I rarely have ever said that to anyone.
Genetics.
No, I think it just looks bigger on Hani. Yes! Can we go check out your car? Can
Let's
we
go.
get you the keys?
I'm
Let's
ready.
do this. You know what? Let me follow you to your beauty.
Absolutely.
Mr. Martin? Mr. Farghini? Oh!
Here you go.
Jurassic Park, baby.
Dude!
Military style Raptor.
Congratulations, fucker. Oh my God.
Thanks for hooking it up, brother.
Oh my, get out of here.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you for coming.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it. And thank you for committing to training me.
You know what? I do charity once in a while. Not very often.
You know what? Hey, enjoy your fucking car. Ivan, this specific Raptor comes with a booster seat, or what about a ladder?
Bro,
By the way, we just captured Jeff out of nowhere. I'm sorry, Jeff. We're bringing you with us.
Just pleasure. It's an honor to be with you.
Yeah, no. It's an honor to be with you. Now, what we're gonna be doing, Jeff, we're gonna take all these trucks because we all brought a truck and take them to gas and take a picture because we're cheesy like that.
And the
You down?
Totally down. Let's do it.
Hell yeah! Look at that. Now we got two more because Bradley's coming from there too. Whenever you're ready, Bradley. Oh, Bradley, what happened to your light rack on top?
Well, I got it on the bottom, bro.
Oh, that's cute.
Secret agent light. Bro. You got the obvious.
See,
they know you're coming.
this is why Farshad's shitting on you because he's got both.
Hey,
we gotta get you a
what?
top rack. We gotta get you a top
Oh,
rack.
top rack is.
That's not your thing. That's not your thing. Okay.
Just in the bumper. That's the key.
That's the way to do it.
You're kind of winning. He's kind of winning, but.
I need to turn on my lights. Hang on. Now I see how sad that it looks. Ivan is leaving tomorrow for the UK.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So you're going to be there for the Aston Martin training program,
Yes.
whatever that is, without
Yes.
getting into specifics.
Yes.
And I was telling you that a friend of mine that's on Salomondrin.com actually commented there and said, dude, if Ivan's coming, let me know where he's going and hopefully we can get together and I'll take him around. So you're down for that?
I'm down for that.
I'll talk to my cock. It's not my cock, it's Matt Cock. That's, or something like that. But I swear to God, that's his name on the website. Don't get deported.
You know what? That's the one thing that I always fear coming back. I already have the U.S. citizen, but I'm still scared. I'm like, are they gonna let me in? We'll find out.